Alright guys, so the next thing I got was from this JH Choppers on eBay, and they had these emblems I showed y'all before, but got them on there now, and they look really, really good. Match the theme, the black CNC cutout look. Looks really good. So I think that looks pretty awesome. Really happy the way those emblems turned out on there. Alright guys, I also got a new timing cover here and a new derby cover for the other side. So you can check these out, they look pretty awesome. This is a T20 by the way. That looks pretty darn good. Alright guys, the next thing to work on is pulling these crash bars off. So already got this one loose here. Bust those loose, take this loose, and then we've got these, which are the eliminators on there. So that's for the other side. But these are the guard eliminators, so it just goes right on there like that and gets rid of that completely. I think these would work with the side covers, the custom ones, but I think they'll look a lot better just having those without the bar on there. So, and these have the holes in them where this was a Electra Glide, so it had all the bars on it. So we already took all that off months ago, but go ahead and get these busted off here. All right, the eliminators are on, both sides, done. So I just went ahead and put these bolts back in there. These were reused, those were reused. They kind of went on okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off these chrome covers, because this has got to come off, this has got to come off. These will have to go back on. This will come undone here. This has got to come off, and then there's a little piece of metal roll bar thing, eliminator there, tag mount, whatever they call it. But all that's got to come off in order to do the fender overlay. All right, guys. So I got the chrome cover off. Got the other one coming off the other side. Get that on there. Got these bolts loose, because this connects this and this together, and this has got to go. So what we're using in there is these. This is from a place called Cycle Visions, but all the links to everything I'm using is in the description. But there's the eliminator brackets. Check them out, see if they work. But essentially it's gonna go that way. It'll replace this piece. So we'll try it. All right, Pop's pulling off these rear covers, but we got these on there, eliminators in place, and that gets rid of that back bar completely. All this stuff's gonna be covered up, so it looks kind of ugly, but it's gonna be covered up anyway, so not a big deal. All right, guys, so all the chrome, tail lights, blinkers, everything are off the back now. So it's starting to look pretty different without all the other stuff on there. But now it's at the point where we can try the rear fender and see how it goes on. So we're gonna try that next. All right, so there's the fender. And it is just kind of sitting down on there. We're gonna have to open up some of the holes, get everything bolted down correctly, and fix that flap at the front, which is kind of odd. Have to trim it off and stuff, so a little bit of work to go, but that's gonna look pretty good. And then we'll end up lowering the bike also. Got a couple other things to do, but it's coming together though.
All right, guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.